Alusi in Igbo ancestral perception. How did Igbo ancestors understood the concept of Alusi? First of all, Alusi is referred to as Alose or more to mean spirit. Alusi is a cosmic indigenous tool or mechanism used to deter people from engaging in socially unacceptable behaviors such as murder, stealing, and crimes of all sorts. Alusi was also used as a wartime technology. In Igbo ancestral perception, this means that our ancestors used Alusi to hold and strengthen their lineage and their community. Alusi bụ ihe ndị Igbo ji wee jide obodo wee jide ngwuru. In our spirituality and cosmology, Alusi manifests in different forms in each community and each